Welcome to my channel. The Volkswagen Transporter 2026 lineup has been expanded with the new Sportline version. The minivan has a more expressive design and an improved interior. It has a special radiator grille and more expressive bumpers, as well as body kit and roof spoiler. In addition, the body has been lowered by 29 mm and 19-inch wheels have been installed. You can choose between cargo or passenger versions. The new Volkswagen Transporter T7 Sportline is available in diesel, plug-in hybrid and electric versions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.